Our microwave broke,
so we're gonna smash it in slow motion.
Yes!
Hi, my name's Alex.
Hi, my name is Aiden, and welcome to the review and giveaway channel.com.
And today we're gonna be smashing our
microwave
in
because it's
slow
broken.
motion. In slow motion.
Yeah,
Why are we smashing it?
Because it's broke, and if we use it one more time, it will explode.
Yeah, so you normally put all our other stuff out the front there, and the people pick it up. And but this time, because it's broken. It's actually broken. We thought it was a bit unfair, so we're going to have a bit of fun with it. So I'm going to switch over to GoPro so I can get some nice slow motion action shots.
Yeah!
And you can go.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm
Okay, let's do it.
alright. Like
Go.
a ricochet, it will come back to me. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. You're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. you said it hit you all at once. I'm already tired and it's the morning. Then you clear your throat, deep down I know that this is done. You tell me you're sorry and I'm laughing. You say, sometimes these things just don't work out. Cause you're only human, this shit happens. Wait, I don't mean to stop you, but darling, I have to cut you off. Don't say you're human. Don't say it's not true. I won't take the these excuses that you're using. So don't say you're human. Don't say you're human. Don't say it's not your fault. I won't take the bait of these excuses that you're using. So don't say you're human.
Oh, come on.
Okay, my go. Aiden, let me have a video.
Right.
Hey, Aiden, let me. Aiden, let me have a video.
All right, have a quick.
I'm gonna smash this bit. Okay, done.
Dad, can I give you the present to change it, Joe?
Change the cameras. Come on, we're gonna make another birthday video. Okay, go out there, say goodbye.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Oh.
Go out there,
Bye-bye.
go over there, say goodbye.